Alrighty, all you guitar freaks. Here we go. We're starting on the back side of this build. And what I decided to do after thinking about it throughout the night is I'm going to start carving out for the control plate. And give me a second here and I'll tell you why. So I don't know if it's showing on there, but I've already drawn out where the control plate is going to go here. I used my template. Now this is the back side, okay? I used my template to make sure that I have the control plate in the middle of this and this. And so here was my thinking. I already have this. This is some teak wood. This is one I started years ago for another build. And this is a part of it. If you can see on the back side here where I cut it on the bandsaw and thinned it down. Probably what I'll do is I'll take this back over to the sander and sand this off all flat before I use it. But anyway, here's my thinking. I'm going to carve this out or router it out, what do you want to call it. Here's my template for it. We're going to double side tape that to the body. Router this out. Go ahead and sink that down in there. It'll be a little bit proud of my work. And then what I'll do, I'll sand it down flat to the body, okay? And once that's done, then we'll start the carve on the back. And that way my control cover will match the carve of the body. And that should work. I've never done the backside carving. I've always left them flat. But I want to go ahead and carve the back of this in the attempt of just helping lightening things up some more. So that's what we're going to start right now. I'm going to go ahead and double side tape this to this. Set my router up. And start routering this down. Got to figure out how deep I want to go on the side over here. How deep down I want to go with that cover. Probably go down fairly deep, and then however thick it ends up being, that's how it ends up being. There's nothing I can do about it, and it ain't gonna matter. It's just a cover. Come on. So anyway, double side tape it, stick that down, set my router up. I'll bring you back in just a minute. All right, what we did was go ahead and routed this out. I took a Foster bit and just punched all the way through it here. We'll clean all this up at a later date. I'm not going to do it right now. And so anyway, we'll pop this off. Yeah, right. There we go. Pop that off, get it out of the way. May have to clean the surface of this up just a little bit more. Now what this should do, just drop down in there. Yeah, it should just drop down in there. It was a good carve, good routing. But anyway, we'll get this to fit down in there. And so close, but yet so far, huh? There we go. That'll fit. So now what I'll do is I'll sand this down to meet the body, and then we'll start carving it out. And hopefully everything works out all right. I hope this don't get too thin. We'll see. I may have to go a little deeper. No, I can't go any deeper. So we'll just do a slight carve instead of doing such a heavy duty carve like I did on the front. All right, I'm going to sand this down to the body, and then I'll bring you back in just a bit. All right, there it is. All I have to do now is do the round overs on it. Don't know if I'm going to do that today or not. Pretty well beat. Yeah, takes a lot out of me. But came out really nice. And I gotta say, it's a whole lot lighter. It's a load off my mind. It is a whole lot lighter. I still need to do some finish sanding on the front. I can feel some spots where I missed it yesterday when I was sanding it. There's the front. There's the back. And but anyway, like I said, now what I'll do is I'll bring my Dremel tool out here tomorrow. We'll clean this all up in here. Yeah, this is really, really thin right up here, but I think I'm just going to live with it. It's my guitar. I don't ever plan on selling it, so all I'm going to do is put a screw here and a screw here to hold it on. It'll be fine. But anyway, there it is. I hope you all are enjoying this these episodes of me building this. This is a total experiment on my behalf. I've never built one this way before, and it is hollow now. You can hear it. Oh, I ordered the parts for it. They should be here next week. So this will probably be the last video until the parts come in. And that, or I'll do short videos on me finishing up the neck. I still need to finish sanding and filing frets and all that stuff on the neck. But anyway, this line right here, somebody asked me if that was a crack. It's not a crack. It's just some of that spalting that's going through the spalted poplar. And but anyway, I am so excited over this build. It's really coming along, and just hopefully I'm showing you guys you can. I use 2x4s on this. Come on. This thing's got so much character in it, it's ridiculous. And that's why I like to go ahead and see if I can't do a round over on this. Well, I will do a round over on it. No ands, ifs, or buts about it. And I like to do that instead of trying to put bindings on it. It's just got so much going on. I hate to put bindings on it. The neck has already got spalted poplar bindings on it, or spalted maple. I can't remember now. And but it matches the body pretty good. So I'm going to just leave it like that. So again, back is carved. As you can see, the overall thickness now is not as heavy duty. Let's just take a measurement now and see how thick our sides are. There is sawdust everywhere. And yeah, we're 1 3/4 on the sides. So I did my job. Well, anyway, you guys be kind out there, and don't be so quick to give me a thumbs down over videos. I'm just like you guys out there. I'm just a human being. I have my aches and pains and things I go through, and I do the best I can in making videos. I am not a professional at making videos. I don't even consider myself a professional at guitar building, although I have been paid to make guitars. And I have sold a lot of my custom guitars. Does that make me a professional? I don't know. You guys decide. I just have a lot of experience at doing this. I'll bring you back in when I get more stuff going on here. Like I said, next week my parts come in. Oh, I decided to go with a wraparound bridge on this. Trying to keep it as clean as I can on the surface of the body, just so that it looks so clean, you know. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to keep a whole lot of stuff off the top of it. It will have 4 knobs on it. It'll be 500K pots, and 3-way switch will be up here in the top, just like a Les Paul, any Gibson style with the 4 knobs on it. So then it'll have, oh yeah, and I went with the Wilkerson M series humbuckers, the zebra ones for it. So, and all black hardware. Alrighty, I'll talk at y'all later now. Bye. All right, real quick. I just did some experimenting here. Let's see if I can get this in. I did a round over by hand, just taking my sandpaper on a sanding sponge. I like using sand sponge because it'll bend with your work. But anyway, I think that's the way I'm going to do it. It's just a real small round over. I wasn't looking to do a huge round over, just to help soften that edge, make it feel better on the arm. But anyway, this will be it for today. Probably the last video for a few days. I know I've been posting one every day on this build. I'm not one to let them sit for a while and then get the guitar all done and then start posting. I do it, try to do it as real time as I can. If I could do it live, I would do it live. But last time I tried doing that, it just didn't work out. So that's why we do it the way I do it. Alrighty, I'll be talking at you. It's come right along. I cannot believe how much lighter this thing is now. It's about medium weight or less, and I'm really shocked how much lighter it got. And so anyway, I want to thank you all for your encouragement out there. Again, I want to give a special thanks to Dane Nichols of Jonah Guitars for providing me with the drawing to do this. And so next week, I can't remember what day, but sometime next week, my parts come in, or at least most of them. Of course, you know, my pickups I ordered, they won't be here until the following month. I don't know. I wish Amazon get their act together. Alrighty, we'll be talking at you. And it's a really nice, lovely day out here today. I don't know what we'll do for the rest of the day, probably making this video. Alrighty, y'all. Be at peace, and I'll be talking at you.